Welcome to Ibis Landing. My name is Jerel Nixon. We're going to be taking a look at the Davis floor plan today. It's 1,524 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, just outside of the Wilmington beaches in downtown Wilmington. Let's go on and take a look. All right, welcome to the Davis. The AC feels great in here. It is a super hot day in Leland, North Carolina. Beautiful place. We're just 25 minutes from the beach here, and we've got multiple beaches surrounding the area, so Leland is a great place to live. If you need any recommendations, don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. Again, my name is Jerel Nixon with DR Horton. This is the Davis floor plan, and what we've done here is we've put quartz countertops throughout the kitchen. This is actually one of our upgrades. When we put the blue cabinets, these are going to be the soft close cabinets, and you're going to have the soft close drawers as well. Brand new, so they're extra soft closing. And as you come out into the main area, we're gonna have a beautiful living space, just lots of natural light, double windows by your dining area. You're gonna have an 8 by 10 foot patio just on the back side of the home. So I think it's wonderful the way we've set this up. We've got a powder room on the ground level for your guests, which makes this townhome extremely functional. Lots of storage space throughout. We'll skip the closets. There's a lot of closets throughout our DR Horton homes. We've really engineered them to maximize the square footage that we built. So we're gonna go ahead upstairs and we're gonna take a look at the owner suite and the 2 guest bedrooms. All right, so as we come to the landing, your separation between your owner suite and your guest bedrooms is excellent. Let's go ahead and take a look at the owner suite. It's an extremely large owner suite, especially for a townhome. We're about 19 feet long here. And we've got vaulted ceilings as well, so a lot of height. We've added in windows in the perfect placement to add in that natural light. Loving that. This is a stain resistant Mohawk carpet with a 6-pound pad underneath, so it's actually really comfortable. And then we put the LVP floors in the bathroom area, and that works out great. You've got your elongated toilet, you've got your walk-in closet. We've added an extra linen closet here as well, and you've got a 5-foot shower with a glass door. Again, we've got mowing chrome finishes throughout the bathroom and your cultured marble tops to finish it off. Excellent. Beautiful cabinetry down below. This just makes for the perfect bathroom. Great space inside the owner suite. Next, we're going to head over to the guest bedrooms and take a look. Your laundry will be just outside of your owner suite. Very convenient. We've got a great size guest bathroom here with a double vanity sink. You've got cultured marble tops again throughout, the LVP flooring, and a tub shower combo, just in case you've got little ones that need a bath. Perfect place for that. And as we go into the first guest bedroom, you're gonna see we've got lots of great natural light with the double windows. Perfect space. We've actually decorated for the little ones, of course, and then you've got double doors here for your closet. So a great space just for all your belongings, your clothes. The next bedroom that we're going to go into is going to be the other guest bedroom here, greeted by a nice single window. This makes for a great office space or double bunk bed as we've set it up, or it could be another bedroom. Again, behind the bed, you're going to have the double doors for your belongings, and yeah, I think it's just set up excellent. Plenty of wall outlets throughout for all your electronics and plugging in to charge those devices. You're also going to have another Z-Wave Honeywell smart thermostat here, which you can control through your app and your Q panel downstairs. So I think this is an excellent choice just outside the Leland. The price is amazing on this home, so please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 910-604-2664. Again, my name is Jerel Nixon with DR Horton, and we'd love to help you out, give you a personal tour, and even give you a virtual tour if you're not local. So thanks again for coming.